Hi, I'm Kevin with Atomic Filters, and today I'm going over the Lennox X8789 filter, and this is a MERV 16 filter for the pure air systems. Not all the pure air systems use the same size filter, so it's very important that you get the correct one. The X8789 is for the PCO16-28. That's the PCO16-28, and it's a 16 by 26 by 5 nominal size. Nominal size is the rounded size used to label the filters. If you were to actually measure this filter, it's actually not 5 inches, it's about 4 3/8 inches deep, and the length is a little different. It's just over, and then it's about 25 1/4 to 25 1/2 inches height. So on one side of the filter, it's got it's all white. On the back side of the filter, it has the plastic staves. So the airflow direction is going to be from front to back, and there'll be an arrow that has it from front to back. That's the airflow direction when you're putting this filter in. So this filter sometimes will be replaced more frequently than every year. Under normal operating conditions, it's replaced every year. And there's a kit number that comes with all the other parts that you need for the annual maintenance kit. And it requires the UV lights, and it also requires the catalytic filter. So if you just need the filter, you're going to want X8789 for this part, for this system, which is the PCO16-20. If you need all the parts, you're going to want the X8796 kit. And there's several different pure air kits from Lennox, and frequently people order the wrong part number because they're very close and they don't realize that there are different part numbers. So you want to make sure that you're getting the right kit. If you're getting the kit, then you're going to need the X8796 kit, and the 8796 kit will come with 2 of these UV bulbs, which is the X8794. These bulbs will degrade over time, so they're good for about a year. Even if they're still lit, they're not going to be as powerful, so you want to make sure you replace them every year. And that's the X8794 bulb. It will come with 2 of these packs, so 2 of this filter, which is like a double bulb, but it'll come with 2 of these, and then it will come with 1 of the X8792. And this is the 8792, which is a catalytic filter. It's a PCO, photocatalytic oxidation filter. It'll come with 1 of these, which is about the same size as this filter right here. So you want to make sure you get the right one for your system, because there are multiple catalytic filters. The bulbs are all the same size, the X8794. So if you're just ordering the filter, it's X8789. If you need the other parts, it's the X8794 and the X8792 catalytic filter. So hopefully that gets all the right parts for you so that you don't make a mistake and order the wrong part. We'll have links to all the parts in this video and below it in the description of the video if you're on our website. We're going to also list this in the video, all the different part numbers, and you can just search those individual part numbers on our website to find them. Thanks for tuning in to Atomic Filters. Hopefully this will make you get the right filter the first time, every time. Thank you.